Hi there, my name is Donald Greeno, owner of Designer Fair. Today I'm going to do how to for Discord. It is a very popular app. It's something that you can do multiple things with. It's great for both organizing your business. It's great for having virtual client meetings. You can put calendars on there so you can organize your appointments. There's just so many things you can do, but for today, what we are actually going to talk about is how to join a server on Discord. I'm just starting this as far as inviting clients who rather do remote meetings. So all they have to do is copy the link that I send them, go to your PC, type in Discord, sign in, and then from there it's just a matter of following these steps. So, shall we begin? All right, so here we go. This is I'll get myself out of the way here. So this is just basically this is Discord. Um, it's my logo. This is where it starts out with. Welcome. I gotta create a Discord. That's your copy code. Copy. And as simple as this. When you sign in, you go to Discord. www.discord.com. That's it. Now you can either download it for yourself or you can open it in your browser. This is PC, mind you. I will do mobile in a second. Mobile is going to be a little bit tougher as technically I have to show you guys via my phone. Anyways, Discord, and since I'm already signed in, it's going to be a little difficult. But basically, you have to sign in. Then what you will get is you go down here to add a server. Click on it. It'll say, bring up a box, create a server. You go down here to join a server. Put that code that you just copied, the code that I will send you, is right here. You hit join server, and it'll bring you right to welcome. There you go. Other than that, I can basically, from there, I will go through with you. I will go through with you, and we'll talk about the services that I offer. I just updated this today. There's a lot of services that I offer. For more information, you can always go on my website, www.designerfairllc.com. But there you have it. That's really all there is to it. I hope this helps you, and see you soon.